We've got quite a bit on our plate this weekend. There's a storm coming in, and so we're gonna try to get some of the veggies in the ground. We're gonna check on our seedlings, and we're just gonna hang out. So come along with us. This is our seed starting setup, and we featured this on a video. Today I'm gonna take some time. I have some droopy seedlings, and I'm gonna take some time and bottom water several of these trays. So I'll probably only leave those in there for an hour or so, let them get a good soak, and then dump the bottom water out. I don't want them to get root rot. The next chore that we have is to start hardening off some of our seedlings. You cannot just plant seedlings and then stick them in the garden once they're grown. You have to gradually get them used to the sunlight. So what we're going to do is to take them outside today for about an hour. Tomorrow we'll increase it to about 2 hours and gradually increase it until they're staying outside most of the day. Then next weekend we can plant them in the ground. Another project that we're working on this weekend is clearing up the yard. When we bought this land, there was already a lot of trash from the previous owners and just a lot of fencing and all sorts of stuff that over the years had gotten buried in the dirt and just so much stuff around. But then that on top of construction materials and construction crews being in and out, there's quite a bit of trash, there's quite a bit of all sorts of stuff. We're gonna clean that up today because guess what? It's spring, and that means the grass is going to start to grow. And we want to get it out of the way of the lawnmower and get it so that it can be mowed. What'd you find?
All this root was entangled in weed and it was just stuck in the ground. It took a while to get out.
Well, I'm glad you got it. There's this one. What all have you found? That. What's the most exciting thing you found so far?
None of it is exciting. I don't even know what most of it is.
All right, keep up the work.
Hold it.
So what you doing, sister?
My bag exploded.
Oh no.
Now I have to pick up every single thing.
So you're picking up all the things that were in your bag? Like
I
daisies?
was literally heading to the house to get another bag and it exploded.
Oh, that's okay. You're doing a good job. Oh, hello, baby. Hello, Zeus. You're getting so big. Are you getting so big? Hi, precious puppy. Yeah. Oh, you are sweet. All right, little duck, look at me. Our little ducky is going to tell us what you're doing.
Some of our basil didn't sprout, so I'm going to plant some cinnamon basil into the spots that it didn't sprout.
Yeah, she's gonna
Or in
fill
the
in
spots
her
that
basil.
it's dying.
Yep. All right, go for it. as a homeschool mom, I'm always on the lookout for good bargains. Our library twice a year has a used book sale, so we are on our way to that book sale. Let's get going. So Michaela, tell me about the library sale. What is it?
The library will have old books that they don't need to keep anymore. They will put them in their upstairs room and just have them on sale. They'll have assorted shelves of books. You can go buy the books.
And usually they're 50 cents a piece or so, which is a really good deal. A lot of people will donate books. Is there anything special you're looking for today, Michaela?
I don't know. It's just fun to go and look and see what they have.
So Taylor, what are you looking for at the book sale?
I'm also not exactly sure. Probably some sort of novel. Maybe they will have something that I have read or I'm planning on reading that I can just have in my bookshelf. But it depends on what's there.
You have a ginormous bookshelf, though.
I do have a huge bookshelf and I'm so happy.
All right, so what did y'all find at the library book sale?
I found this one, the ducks, geese, and swans of North America.
Good, what else?
And I like to stamp. I have a bunch of stamps at home, and I like to stamp things and watercolor in them for little cards. I found this one.
Good. And then what other did you find?
Then I love Peter Rabbit, and Beatrix Potter is the writer. So I found the Beatrix Potter knitting book. One of the things in here is, let's see, that sweatshirt, that little sweater. So I'm excited because I love bunnies.
So I did not find as much. I found Little Men by Louisa May Alcott, and I probably would not even notice this, except we have Little Women and Joe's Boys, which are the first and third in the series. So we kind of need this one, even though I may not actually even read it. I don't know. Then I found The Kill Order, which is a prequel to the Maze Runner series, which I read earlier last year, and it was really good. So I'm excited about that one.
And we got all 5 books for what, $4? Hey MJ, can I show you something? A mouthful of ice cream. Here, come see. Come look.
A big jar of water.
No. Come look over here. Open, pull the top off your seedlings. What do you see? What is it? What? What do you, are those your zinnias?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my goodness. They're sprouting. What's special about those zinnias?
You know, zinnias are yellow and then they turn to pink.
Oh, those are gonna be so pretty.
I had some right here.
Oh yep, these we started earlier, huh?
And then these are my pink tomatoes.
These are pink tomatoes. Those are gonna be exciting.
This is my snapdragon.
Up here are her snapdragons. Ooh, they're doing so good from our grow alone, huh?
Yeah.
So what's going on over here?
Getting some of these coats out. This is still part of our chicken, I don't know, not chicken town, but our chicken compound that we're working on. Just putting these bolts back in the pieces so I don't lose them. But once I get all these cleaned out and the dirt dries up a little better, where I can smooth it out over there, they're going to live right over there. I'm going to get cattle panels around them, and I should be able to keep 5 separate breeding pairs in one space.
So we came in the heat of the day and everybody's working on projects. What are you working on, Michaela?
We do a thing called L2L. It stands for Lads to Leaders. And every year you can lead a song and you can do speeches. And I'm working on my speech today.
Ooh, what's your speech about?
The topic this year is about Joshua. Well, the book Joshua, not specifically Joshua, but I bet a lot of people are going to do him. But I wanted to do about Caleb.
Oh, that'll be fun. I cannot wait to hear your speech. Let's go find out what this other chickadee's working on. Hello. So what are you working on today?
The top secret sewing project. You cannot tell anyone.
Oh, okay. I guess we'll find out what her top secret sewing project is later to be revealed?
Later.
Okie dokie. Well, looks like it's time to get planting. It's a nice, beautiful day so far. Hopefully we can get most of this done before the rain sets in this evening.
A butterfly bush. It's a 4th of July. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to look like this. We're gonna go over to the picnic tables across the dam at our pond, and we're gonna go ahead and plant this. We have a tradition in our family where every time we go on a trip, instead of bringing back a souvenir, we bring back a perennial. We were going to a ladies' day and to see our friends at Lawton, so we got a butterfly bush at the local nursery.
So let's go down to the pond and plant this thing.
Oh, Daddy's been working hard. Look, he mulched under our picnic tables. This is our little picnic area. We've got some tables and we have this little fire pit over here.
And our candles.
And our little bug candles. And we're hopeful this year. Taylor has a big project planned for these picnic tables, don't you?
Well, I had an idea to paint them like a map I've seen on t-shirts. It's like, it will be like this map and it's a collage of different worlds from different books and things.
That will be awesome. What about the other one, MJ? Do you have ideas for it?
Yeah, Daddy said that one would be like sci-fi, medieval, whatever, and the other could represent our land and our hard work and everything. So I was thinking we could do like a little journal-ish thing. Not really journal, but I was thinking like, just like make a little farm landscape, but make it look like it was just a little bitty homemade drawing. Nothing fancy. So it would just be a cute little something.
That'll be so much fun. Where do we want to plant this thing? About there? Okay.
Daddy would have room to mow behind it and in front of it, and it wouldn't be a problem.
The doggies are playing and being naughty.
Let's get to digging.
Hi, Toby. What'd you find?
I found an enormous grass.
A ginormous grasshopper. Hello.
He's an endangered
I
grasshopper.
was looking for a little grasshopper, so I started jamming at the dirt trying to get him to jump, and then all of a sudden there's this big grasshopper.